Creating online and interactive materials can be so tiring. Talk about writing or researching about the content, gathering relevant images or videos, and most of all, layouting. The thing is, being a teacher doesn't grant you the luxury of time. And with this website that I recently discovered, you're gonna save a lot of time and energy. Bonus, zero professional editing skills required. Yes, and let me show you how. This website is called NODMA. Using NODMA, we can create our very own interactive learning material in less than 30 minutes. Hello kay Sir Emmanuel aka Sir Bogart. Nakita ko meron din siyang video tungkol dito at pwede nyo rin yung panoorin after this. Now, let's check the website. As you can see, I already created my own account. And signing up is very easy. It's easy as pie. You just have to sign up using your Google account. Upon logging in, we're gonna see this page with writer, classroom, and reader. Let's go to the writer because this is where we'll make our online workbook or our interactive learning material. First, I want to show you the pre-made and ready-to-use books that they have here for free. So let's check and see what's inside a book. We have the cover page. Next to that is the teacher's guide. And of course, the content page. I want you to see these really cool animations embedded in the books.
Wow! Living things need energy to stay alive, make food in the presence of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide.
And on this part, students can answer the questions and see the answer right away. What's good about this is you can create your own learning material in any subject. With that in mind, let's try and create our own book from scratch. The reason why teachers think that NODMA is very user-friendly is because they use drag and drop elements. Meaning you simply have to drag any element that you want to be present on your page. You simply have to drag it and drop it on that page. What I'm doing right now is I'm setting and I'm changing the background of my page. So you can actually choose from the colors available here, or you can also select an image from their background gallery. Let's say I want to upload my own background image. Edit in case you want to crop a part of your background image, you are free to do that. Let's start dragging elements onto our page. So I want to add an image for my cover. Almost done with the cover. Now let's add new page. We're going to start by adding the objectives or the targets of our lesson. So I included here 3. By the way, this is only a sample lesson. And then proceeding with the pre-assessment. Just gonna add a few pictures and instructions, of course. You can actually drag and drop a multiple choice assessment. Also, you can embed a YouTube video on your page. Simply copy the URL of your YouTube video, paste it there, and voila! It's on your page already. Adding a few more information. This is not gonna be a full-on tutorial, alright? I just want you to see how it works. And on to the homework. Last one, I just want to add a little bit of feedback for our student. So I will be adding this good job image. Almost done. Update page. It will appear success. Exit. Publish. Now let's go to the reader. Let's see if it was successfully published. Let's click it. Now we can see our cover page and our content page. Students can write their answers over here. And that's it. If you are interested to use and try NODMA, I am leaving the website link in the description box. You can also follow them on their Facebook page and on their YouTube channel. I really encourage you to sign up because it's free. You have nothing to lose. I'll see you again, syempre! Bye-bye!